Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to use Copy with Mates to quickly push our corner assembly to each corner. This is a quick way to insert parts or sub-assemblies that share similar mates. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. I need to add this motor corner to the remaining 3 corners. To do this, I'll use Copy with Mates. I right-click on the motor corner sub and select Copy with Mates because I want to make all corners identical. This tool displays mates that are associated with the model. In this case, I use 2 coincident mates to align the corner gussets to the weldment outer faces. I also define the corner gusset as coincident to the top plane. This is going to be true for all motor corners, so we can use the option Repeat. Rotate the view and apply the final 2 copies. Select the left outer face of the weldment. The orientation needs to be flipped, so I click Reverse Direction. Then select the right outer face. The last coincident relationship will be set to Repeat. Click OK. Click OK. Close the dialog. Now we have all 4 motor corners applied. Using Copy with Mates is a time saver. We added our final 3 corner assemblies in just a few clicks. Join me next time as we finish our upper frame design. Thanks for tuning into the series Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.